Hi everyone, I am back with entry number 5 for the Subbie March Subbie challenge. Is that how I said it? The March Subbie challenge. I'm sure that's what I called it. Oh my gosh, I'm so not with it. It's been a bit of a hectic day. So this is entry number 5 and just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You wait till you see what's in here. The entries that I have received have been all very, very lovely. But look at this lovely lot of goodies. So they are from the wonderful Sue Harvey. And look at this lovely, beautiful card. Now, Sue says in here that she is very new to papercraft and she only started 10 months ago. Well, for someone who only started 10 months ago, you are doing a fantastic job because these are beautiful. You know, as are all of my entries. They're all just stunning in their own different ways. But, you know, I just wanted to say for someone who has not been doing this very long, you are doing a beautiful job. I mean, look at this beautiful card. Look, I would use this in a journal for sure. So all of this, none of it's not going to go into a journal. And look at these lovely leaves and this beautiful flower. Loving it. Love the cardstock. Just gorgeous. In fact, I think I have this cardstock, or had it. I'm not sure. I've seen it. I'm sure it's from the range. And I'm sure I've got some somewhere. But I'm going to be stealing some of your ideas, actually, honey, because where was it I saw these? I mean, I've had a peek in here. Look, I never thought to use the ribbon through the buttons in the way that you have attached these. And I have got a load of buttons, and actually I thought, well, they won't go on, but actually with ribbon, I mean, look at these. You say that you're very new to crafting. These are gorgeous. I mean, lovely, beautiful tag there, and it's all like lots of scraps of paper there, and what a lovely effect that gives. And then distressed and then stamped on, and got leaves and ribbon and lace, and I love the way you have done the buttons. Love that. I'm going to be stealing that idea for sure. And then look at this one. I mean, you know, there's so much detail goes into all of your work. I mean, you know, and that's what I wanted to do with this challenge, because everyone has different eye for what they're doing, and everybody's work is beautiful in their own right. And I just love the way that you learn from other people's techniques and things, you know, and oh my gosh, I just love everything that has been sent in, you know. And like, I would never have used a colourful button like that on a vintage piece, but it really works. Just beautiful. I mean, it's got all this little pearl trim and lace trim and stamping and napkin, I think that is on there. Just lovely. And these, look at these little tags here. Look, these are beautiful. And the way she's used the buttons, and look, even on the back, they've been like oh, what do you call it? Oh, I forgot what that pen's called. I had one from Stamping Up. She's highlighted all these with lovely glittery pen. I mean, just beautiful. I mean, look. I mean, I'm quite lazy, I must admit. When I do my projects, I'm quite lazy in finishing these little details, you know. You put me to shame here because I'm quite lazy. Very, very beautiful. And then look, book page, sort of flip pocket, not a flip pocket, a tuck spot with lovely edging and buttons and a Hessian flower and distressed. And then another little fold out book page pocket there with a little thing, then some lovely beautiful flowers. Just loving these entries. I thank you so much, Sue. Thank you to everyone else as well who have sent your entries in. And we're not even on the first week of March yet, so I'm hoping that, you know, we'll have lots more entries. So this is the entry number 5 for Sue Harvey. Anyone that's interested in entering the March Subbie challenge, you just need to send in some pieces, bits and pieces and things that would go in junk journals. My address is in the description below, and you've got until the 31st of March for your entries to arrive. Just send me a message or an email. Just let me know you want to take part so I can look out for your entry. Okay. Right, my lovelies, I'm going to go off and have my tea now and put my feet up, I think, and have hopefully have a quieter day tomorrow. I'm going to go do a bit of editing as well first. So I shall see you all very, 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 very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.